Okay, so this morning I was woke up with this menu in my bed, and my options were cereals, the Golden Puffs or Frosted Flakes, or a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Cooper's Car Wash? I ate at Cooper's Car Wash this morning. Okay. Okay, no, it's Trey and Taylor's restaurant. How about that?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh, Carhartt, because that's your shirt. Got it. Okay, so Taylor came in. Taylor, you came in and gave me the menu, huh? Okay, look at me. Okay, show me how you took my order. Okay, I'm moving on. Okay, show me your little book. That's the book that he took the order with. And Trey is the chef. Trey, let me see your outfit. Yeah, Dad's gonna be excited about that one. Jam on the shirt. Thank goodness for bleach. So who are you making these for? Beej and his friend. You went down and got their order too? And what did they order? Okay, take him outside again. What did they order, Trey? Trey, what did they order? Oh, cool deal. All right, chef. Thanks for your time. Taylor, what do you think about this restaurant? Is it just not? Yeah, there you go. All right. A good little server over here. And my good little chef over here. And look how nice the kitchen looks. Thanks to my good little babysitter right there.